everybody, this is Will Palmer. I consult small law firms in Kansas City on how to be successful with online marketing. I'm with Find Law and Super Lawyers. Today's video is just Attorney Marketing 101 and when it makes sense to consider if attorney marketing is even right for you. It has come a long way in the past 10 years since the phone book. Most attorneys are busy running their practice and managing clients and don't have time to get bogged down with these details. So this is a very short video on when it makes sense to even consider this as a strategic, business opportunity to grow your practice. There's a lot of misconceptions about attorney marketing. Most attorneys kind of view it in a negative light. They've been burned in the past. They're called all the time saying they don't show up on page 1 for this and that. And it can be a big money waster if it's not done the right way. So they avoid it altogether, which can be a huge mistake. Yes, you're an attorney, but you're also a small business owner. And if it's done the right way, you can generate revenue outside of your referral networks you have in place, outside of clients that you do a great job for. That'll always be a good source of revenue for you. But let's draw a line in the sand and look outside of that. What if you had a revenue generating mechanism where a huge online audience from outside of those referral networks could find you, validate your expertise, and engage you for legal services? That's what we're going for here. So here's kind of misconception number 1. It takes somebody like me to be successful with your law firm. It's not true. And I'm the first person to recognize that. But that doesn't mean I'm not valuable or attorney marketing online isn't a good use of your time and money. If you have interest in generating quality clients from outside of your referral network, some attorneys use a combination of hourly work with contingency work, so they have cash flow, but also some big hits throughout the year. There's a lot of ways to supplement your income, still achieve a great work-life balance, but grow your firm the right way. That means maybe hiring associates. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe that's a headache to you. Maybe you want to keep it simple, but you want a higher income. The good news is that in today's world, there's a huge online audience, and you really have control over the direction of your practice, what practice areas you can grow, what kinds of cases you can be really selective with that are more valuable to you, more valuable to your time and energy. And as a small law firm or a solo practitioner, you really have the chance to steer your ship and really fine-tune the direction your firm is headed in. A couple things are really required to achieve that. Number 1, it's good to have a local expert, somebody that understands the Kansas City market, understand that resources here are different than other larger markets or even smaller markets. It also takes somebody that can really understand your goals and where you're headed to make the right kinds of recommendations. There's certainly no one size fits all. And somebody that can be held accountable to the recommendations they make for a long-term partnership. So, whether it's somebody like myself that consults with you or anybody else, those are some of the things to think about, and understanding that you have a chance to really increase revenue and income the right way for your firm. Open your mind, think outside the box, and realize as a small business owner and an attorney, you really need to understand these opportunities to maximize your success with your job.